Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. So my name is Adedamola, but you can call me Adea, and on this channel I do beauty videos and lifestyle videos. So guys, I'm already back in Florida. I was in Texas for a while and I'm already back in Florida, and yeah, I just said let me start a new vlog this week. So I'm just gonna be vlogging my week and my weekend. So today's just gonna be a chill day. I want to straighten and curl my hair. The video of how I made this how I fixed my hair by myself is gonna come up soon. That's if it's not already uploaded. And then I'm gonna try and prep some of my wigs, because like I said, I just came back from Texas and I've abandoned them, so I just want to tweak some things and make sure that they're doing okay. And what else do I have to do today? I think that's it. And then I'll eat breakfast or lunch or dinner, whatever. And then maybe this weekend I'm thinking of maybe myself and my husband go to the beach with some of our colleagues, because I've missed them. Honestly, I've actually missed them. I've not seen them in a while, and I think one of my husband's friends is also coming, so we might all go to the beach together. And before that, my husband is having a conference in another town in Florida, so I will tag along. But that's really going to be a business, like school thing, so I might not vlog so much about that, but I guess I'll show the hotel and maybe if we go out for dinner and all that stuff. And then yeah, I'll come back to Florida, then we'll continue the weekend. It's just gonna be for a couple of days, like 2 or 3 days. But anyway, guys, so that is what is gonna be happening in the rest of the vlog, and you guys are welcome to join. Anyway, I think I'm talking too much. My words are not articulating anymore. So what are we doing now, guys? Right now I want to straighten my hair and curl my hair, because I have content to create tomorrow. I want to do a hair review tomorrow, and yeah, to showcase the hair. Obviously it should not be nice for me to make the hair look like this and I'm making a good review about it. I want to make a very honest review, the pros and cons, because honestly there are a lot of pros and cons, about the hair. So I am straightening it now, and I'm going to coil it just with some. It's actually a straight hair, but I just want to put some curls into it and see how well it does. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. And then I may also prep my wigs and then edit, because I have 3 videos I'm editing right now at the moment. I'm kind of almost done, but I'm not completely done. So I'm just gonna skip this part, guys, because I'm basically just coiling my hair. Guys, the coiling iron I brought it from Nigeria, and the mouth is not the mouth. How do I explain that? Like the mouth where you plug in the coiling iron is not the same mouth that they use here in America. And I had an extension box, but I cannot find it. It was actually my husband's. I cannot find it anymore, so I have to make do with my straightener to put the coils there. And then I'm gonna pin it up with this. Yeah, so hopefully it turns out well and turns out good. Like I said, guys, I made this hair myself. I did the sewing myself. The video should be up by now, and if it's not, then look out for that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Also, guys, if you guys want to know like details about the hair, just stay tuned for the hair review. Like I said, I'm gonna dedicate an entire video for the hair, because the hair is from a popular vendor, so on Instagram. So I'm gonna just be honest and give you guys the real tea, so you don't have to ask like in the comments like where's the hair from and everything. I'm gonna dedicate an entire video, so look out for that. And guys, I'm just gonna split this up, or just actually skip, because this is gonna take a long time, I have a feel. So guys, I'm tired. I've been waiting for Joseph for like hours now. Anyway, today's the last day, so we want to take the opportunity to look at this place, to just visit some couple of fun places in the area. I hope we find. And then I have a special surprise for my man. We're going to go to a fine restaurant. So I'm just gonna treat my man, take him out, surprise him, make him feel good and special. So I'm looking up right now, you know, nice places that we can like order food and go out and get all dressed up. But since the plans have changed, we're no longer going to lunch. I think he's now bringing lunch to me. So I don't think I have to wear this like formal jumpsuit anymore. I really like it. It's very, very, you know, simple, corporate. But since we're not visiting the conference anymore, I think I'm just gonna wear a gown, like a dinner gown. Guys, it's hot. Like we're already almost in summer fully, and I cannot believe like I'm sweating. So anyway, I may change, or I may just leave it like this, depending on, you know, how I feel. So it should be here in a few minutes, and once it's here, I will let out my hair, brush it, and then we will go out. No, we might eat lunch first, and then towards the evening I'll pick up the camera, and then we'll go on the dates and eat. And then we can also have like a couple of fun places too that we may want to branch, because I looked up Google and I saw a place for tourist people where they can, you know, it's kind of like a park, or like, I don't know, maybe like waterfall. I will decide if we're eventually going to go there.
You don't like it once, everything. What are you looking like?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really